and I am introducing you guys today to Charlie Cooper, our new baby. He is 6 weeks old, and he is a Dachshund mix. Charlie has 2 different color eyes. If you could see, he doesn't stay still. He's very hyper. He is very small, loves to play, loves to chew. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. And, well, that's our baby of the house now. He is the love of our lives. He doesn't stop playing with his bear. He loves it. I guess he wants to rip it apart. I guess he's teething. But we got him about a week ago. So I just wanted to make a quick video on our new baby. Charlie, say hi, Charlie Cooper. I guess Charlie doesn't want to say hi. He's too into his bear. Take him, take him. So I'll talk to you guys later.